Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can enable the feature that allows you ask before downloading a file in your desktop. So for example, when we download a file, then it will automatically goes into the download folder. Here you can see this one. So as a result, here you can see we will get less space in our C drive. So if you want your file will be stored in the D or E drive, how you can manage that? Just you need to change the downloads directory. Just click here on three dots, then go to downloads. Then here you can see currently we have nothing in the downloads folder. Scroll down, then click on the settings, and after that on the left side here you can see multiple options. Just click here on the downloads, and then here you can see this is by default. Just you can change the directory where you want to set, for example D drive, E drive. Just you can go and select the destination. So now if you want, every time Google Chrome will ask you where to download that file, just you can enable this option. So it will ask every time to select the destination for your files before downloading start. So in this way you can easily organize your files in Google Chrome browser.